Ah, hey, hello. Oh my god, I'm an old man.
Yeah.
Ei, é o assalame, babak no papier, é o assalame, zinzal bem, é o assalame, ei, ei, ei.
Hi guys, my name is Indigo. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I've been seeing a lot of influencers do a lot of videos on how to do mask-proof makeup, whatever that means. And today we're gonna go ahead and try those out. Now I've kind of gone ahead and done my research, so I have all the products right here in front of me, and I'm going to guide you guys through the steps, and then we're also going to basically vlog the entire day and see how this works out for me. From what I understand from this entire trend is that it's essentially just performance makeup. Basically, it's just that you do an extensive ritual while you're doing your priming, and then after you're doing your makeup, you basically set after every single application. And a lot of baking is required, and a lot of powders are required, so your makeup is probably going to look pretty dry, which honestly I don't really care about that much, so we're gonna go ahead and start off. But before we do start, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing is priming. Now it's actually really funny because this is actually the trend that I saw on TikTok, and I did in the TikTok video, and a lot of people are using it, and I actually really do like this. So I don't mind doing this because I already do this to begin with. So the first thing that you do is that you apply your moisturizer. I've already done that. And now we're gonna go ahead and use our setting powder. I use the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And we're gonna lightly brush that onto our face. We're not using a lot because you don't want it to cake up. I did that mistake yesterday and it was if you add too much, you're gonna start getting these weird clumps of like product. It literally actually looks like cake. Be very light on this stuff. You don't want to overdo it. I think the best way to kind of gauge how much you use is just to use a very dewy moisturizer and then just keep on using the powder until it's matte. Once you get the shine off, don't overdo it, like it's fine. Then we're gonna go ahead and set that. I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, and then you let it dry. So I'm actually using 3 primers because this was another hack that I figured out, and I have really stuck with it because it just really works. So first I apply my sunscreen just because I am a huge advocate for constantly wearing sunscreen. Always wear sunscreen, guys, no matter what day of the week, even if you're staying indoors. It's really important. You do not want to get wrinkles or skin cancer, but I care more about wrinkles. And then after that first layer, I go ahead and apply my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. This is just so I can get that extra stick. I now just kind of go heavy-handed when it comes to primer, especially because it's summer and it's really dry here in California, so I really just kind of like to add even more moisture for my skin personally. And then lastly, I use the Tatcha Silk Canvas. Yes, this is the travel size. Who's gonna check me? Nobody. I'm saving coin. I use a very cute amount, like a lot. Now we're gonna go ahead and do our foundation. Basically, all the makeup that you're gonna use today is matte and full coverage, and the reason that you want to do that is obviously because you're going to have this mask on your face and it's going to be rubbing all over the place, so you want something that's going to stand up to that, right? I'm personally using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 260. So like I said, you're going to set after every single layer. Your face is going to feel so heavy, but it's not going to go anywhere, so. And then next I'm going to go ahead and use the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer. This is the shade Almond. Use it as you would. And this is one of those scenarios where you really have to bake, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the same setting powder as before and just bake the ever-living hell out of my face. In this scenario, the longer you leave it on, the better. And you particularly want to focus the powder around the area where the mask is going to touch. So basically around like the bridge of the nose, the mouth, the chin, basically the entire bottom portion of your face. All right, so I just kind of let this sit on my face for about 10 minutes. I went ahead and had like a little meal. And once again, and then we're gonna go ahead and use our bronzers and blushes, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the Bellini palette and also the Belgian Waffle palette. Probably gonna skip through this because it's not that interesting because nothing changes. Well, it only took it 2 years. No. Oh well. I feel like this is so impractical for every single day type getup. Like, my base makeup usually takes me anywhere from 8 to 15 minutes. This has taken me like 25 to 30 minutes. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight like regular. I'm starting to use this really pretty, I actually don't know where this is from, Joare Cosmetics or something like that. I tried this out a couple days ago on my hand and I thought it was really pretty, so we're gonna go ahead and try it on my face. Ooh, oh my gosh. I guess I'm a lighthouse today. You see the cast though? But it is pretty, so whatever. You know what though? I think that since we are doing a very matte look, I don't think it's that bad to apply the dewy look back in with some highlighter. I haven't really experienced my foundation breaking apart while wearing my mask quite yet. However, my lips always suffer. I look like I had just gone out partying and I did something I was not supposed to that I'll regret in the morning. We're gonna see if this actually works because this would be a huge game changer for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of lip gloss, a little bit of, what is this called again? Lip balm, yeah. And then we're gonna lightly dust that with setting powder. Crazy, but go off, I guess. And then once again, set it. I'm so done with setting things right now. And then you have to use your most driest, most permanent formula that you have in your collection. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and use the Kylie Matte Liquid Lip. I used to love this a lot before I tried other liquid lips. It is very drying and it definitely does stay on your lips forever if you don't mess with it like that. So I think this will actually survive this. I hope it doesn't make me look dead. We'll see it, we'll see. And then once again, I fully think I just ran out of this by using it so much. This is ridiculous. And then lastly, before you step out into the world, you're gonna have to lightly powder your face with some loose powder. Alrighty, and we are done. This is officially our mask-proof base. We'll be the judges of that. I'm not gonna do my eyes on camera because this video is not about that, but I'm gonna fill you guys in around every other hour or so today, and I'm gonna be wearing this the entire day with a mask. Alrighty guys, and my day starts not quite there now. Alrighty guys, we are in my living room. This is a very weird spot to film. I feel like I'm making an apology video. It is currently 2 p.m. I'm sorry for the echo, by the way, but we're trying to do this as homey as possible. I'm about to eat my little salad or whatever, and we're about to check up on the makeup. I've styled my hair. It was really hot in that bathroom when I do that. I always sweat. I have no idea what my makeup is gonna look like. I called a couple friends, I showed them how it was looking, and at that time it looked good, so we're about to see what it looks like now. Okay, yeah, it looks pretty good. This is the first hour. Girl, this is the first hour and a half about-ish. Let me see if I can get some better lighting up in here. Oh yeah, much better. So yeah, wait, hold up. Let me go get my little monkey. I was gonna show you guys my favorite cat, but she's outside, so I'm just gonna show you guys. Simba. You see how like angry he looks all the time? Look at that. I don't like him. Anyways, so yeah, that's the first hour with the makeup. So far, it looks good. It feels fine. You know, I'm obviously like really up close to the camera, and so far it looks so good. There's no splotchiness. The lips look great. That's the part that I'm the most worried about because it gets really humid underneath this little mask. Oh, and also, I totally forgot. Look, no makeup at all. Not a single bit of makeup on here. Kind of snapped. So we're gonna see if this lasts the entire day. I'm gonna let you guys in on the next update in about an hour and a half, and I'll be right back. It is 6:38 p.m. and I kind of got a little carried away. I said that I was gonna do like hourly things, and I decided to do some eye makeup, and I kind of like wasted my entire day basically doing it. But I did it entirely with the mask on, and we're about to check what it do, baby, what it do. I'm kind of scared, honestly. Okay, wig. So far, so good. I'm sorry if you guys can hear like the wind. I might go in the pool in a bit, so we're about to see how it goes out there. It's really hot out here, so that's another plus. It's honestly working with the mask with the heat of California in the summer. So far, so good. This is about the 5th hour that I have the makeup on. Normally, I wear my makeup about 8 hours maximum, so it's reaching about the point where it should start crackling and separating and getting a little splotchy. So if it even gets any worse than this, honestly, I'm not gonna be too mad. Already, it's kind of a win in my book. A couple days ago, I definitely went downtown and my lipstick got ruined within like the 30 minutes that I wore a mask. So this is definitely already a huge plus. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and run my errands and do a little bit of stuff that I need to do, and I will be right back with the next update. So I did in fact go in the pool. I'm all out here. This tiny little pool stop. You know, we had to do it. It's hot. Like I needed like a pool. I needed something to relax in. I'm acting like I bought this pool. I didn't. My sister did. But anyways, yeah, so far so good. It's like, where's my phone? I hate when you like first get in the pool and it's like super cold. Okay. Okay, anyways. Yeah, so, oh I forgot to check what time it was. It's not too long since my last update. When I told you guys I was gonna get in the pool, I did what I had to do. It is 7:16, so it's been about like 40 minutes since I last updated you guys, which is not too bad. This pool is so cold. But like, I just need to relax right now. Relaxing. This is how I relax. Yeah. Anyways, let's check out the makeup right now. Period. Y'all already know. Why am I so close to the camera? Stop. But yeah, lips are doing good. Skin's doing good. The nose is like starting to flake a little. You guys can see a little bit of forehead lines, but girl, that's just because I'm me. I kind of look cute with this little mask on. I look like Kitana or whatever, so I'm gonna put it back on. So yeah, I'm just in the pool for now, just relaxing. Not really. I'm really trying it. I'll let you guys in on the next update, which will probably be in about 1 or 2 hours. So I'll see you guys in a couple hours. Bye! I know, right? Hey! Woo! Hey! So it's 11:05 p.m. I've kind of worn this for a fat ass minute today. Right now I'm playing Roblox for the first time with my friends. You already know. We're literally bored as hell. You know, we can't go to the club in real life, so we decided to go to the club in Roblox. Hey! So it's been a really long time since the last update. Let's see how we're doing now. Period. Literally the exact same as before. I look definitely a lot more tired, but the lips look the same, y'all. There's a little bit of patchiness going on around the nose where like the mask touches, but I'm not too mad at it. It's not too obvious. So yeah. And this is the final update of the day. I think this is the last update that I can give. Full day, am I right? No. But yeah, let's go back into the studio and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. Alrighty guys, so it is finally the end of my day. Okay, my phone is too far away. It's the middle of the night, essentially. I've had this makeup on since like, what, 2? So that's like 10 hours right there. A lot more than I normally do, but whatever. This eye makeup I freaking love so much. It is so stunning. I've been living my life the entire day. But yeah, let's see the final results of this 10-hour makeup attempt. Period. So all day today I have not done any touch-ups. I haven't done anything at all. I've just been wearing the mask, obviously. I've eaten and I've taken it off just to show you guys the results so far. It held together really, really well, especially because I was fully expecting my makeup and my lipstick to just be all over the place. I will say though, it's not 100%, like, you can kind of tell where the mask started because it's like really, like, not like sticky, but it's more, it has more of like a skin-like finish where the mask was, and then the rest is like full matte. So you can definitely tell that I was like, you know, like still probably wearing a mask because there's like a clear distinction line. And also on my nose, I don't know if you guys can see that in the camera, but I'm having a little bit of patchiness from where the mask hits. At the end of the day, I did get a little bit of makeup on my mask, just the tiniest little bit though. Like, this is ridiculous to complain about, but it is an observation. This definitely did survive the day. I feel like the lipstick got a little bit crunchy. It got a little bit, this isn't necessarily my favorite formula, but did it do what it had to do? Yes, it did. So overall, I think this is a really great technique if you want to wear makeup under your mask. I will say though that under harsh lighting, this does look a little bit more like stage makeup because essentially it is. But I mean, if you care more about like the application of your makeup rather than like the texture, this is the way to go. Overall, I'm really pleased. I was really scared for a second that I might have like smudged lipstick for my pictures, but thankfully this survived. Huge shout out to Manny MUA and this other influencer. I'm sorry, I can't remember the name, but I watched your videos and we put these to the test and they worked. Mind you guys, this technique has been around for a really long time by professional makeup artists. This is essentially what people do when they're performers. It makes your makeup indestructible because I've been, where was I today? I was in the pool, I played Roblox, I ate salad, like that's pretty tame. But I had a full day with my mask on, which is like super humid underneath because like my hot breath. But yeah, it survived and it's continuing to thrive after 10 hours. I'm thoroughly impressed. So yeah, there you have it guys. This method does in fact work. So I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you guys think below. Do you guys like it? Are you guys surprised that it actually worked? Are you guys not surprised that it actually worked? Let me know down below. Please wear a mask in public. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on post notifications. And I will see you guys in the future. Bye-bye.